Hey guys, so this video is going to be about tires, a little bit about tires. A friend of mine actually just went and bought a set of tires yesterday. He came and showed me, and I showed him something he didn't know. So he bought these tires. They look brand new, rims and tires. They look brand new, but the tires are 11 years old. So basically the tires are junk, my opinion. So he doesn't have to pass safety. There's no weather cracks in them, but they're an 11-year-old tire. So if you guys are going to look at tires or even buying brand new tires, I always recommend to look at this because you could buy a brand new tire from a tire shop that's 3 years old. I personally wouldn't want them. They're 3-year-old tires. They're still brand new, but they're 3-year-old tires. And I'm not buying 3-year-old tires for full price. But that's just me. So I'll show you guys, I'll show you on a couple different tires. So if you look on the tire, this is not marked on both sides, but you will have your DOT number. And then something, I don't know what this means, to be totally honest with you. This is probably something to do with the DOT number. But you'll always have this on it. And what this is the first 2 digits are going to be the week they were built. So they were 40th week, 2018. So if you look at your tire, if it's not on this side of the tire, so this is the, like the outside, it'll be on the inside. So let's just go over to this, which I know needs tires, but let's see. Just have to find the number. Like I said, oh yeah, right there. So this one is 5th week, 2014. So these are not new tires, right? And then we'll do the same thing. The tires are on the shorty, which I'm sure are probably old tires. Just because all tires that are DOT approved have to be marked for it. Yeah, see, this one is on the opposite side of the tire. It's not on the white wall side. What I mean by white wall is this, for you guys that don't know. Oh, see if I can see it on this side. Probably won't be able to. Oh yeah, right there. Camera will focus on it or not. It's right there. Yeah, there you go. Week 52, 2007. So that goes to show, like, these tires are wore out, but these tires aren't weather cracked, but they are wore out. That tire's a 2007. That one's a 2014. That one's a 2018. So, you go and looking at a truck, let's say, that has these tires on it, and think, oh, well, the tires got 95% tread. I can use those for a long time. Personally, I would drive around a little bit on those tires, but I wouldn't go a road trip on those tires. Like, there's a very good chance you'll get a separation or a belt break or something, and be ripping your fender off on the side of the road. And that's it, at the very least, if you don't get into an accident because of it. So I just wanted to touch base with you guys on that. He I wouldn't say he got screwed, but the tires are not new tires, so you have to be very careful with that. If you're buying tires, make sure that you're buying tires that aren't too old. Like I said, even brand new tires. If you go into a tire place and you look at the tire brand new, you could even ask them before they install them, could I look at the tires? What year are the tires made? You look at them. If they're 3-year-old tires, I personally would be like, well, I want a deal. They're 3-year-old tires. Either that or get me a tire that's not 3 years old. So anyways, hopefully that helps somebody out in the future, and yeah, we'll go from there. All right, guys, like, subscribe, hit me down in the comments, and remember, it's not rocket science.